Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Today is March 26th, and I just want to do a quick video on Bed Bath & Beyond. On Friday, the stock was green. It was actually up 3.78%. And let's go ahead and take a quick look at a 9-month daily chart. So the stock has been on a downtrend ever since it tried to break this high of $7, and this was February 6th. And then we had a small rally back in January, and ever since then, it started to go down, even hitting a low of 0.76. And that was because they announced that they were planning to do a reverse stock. A reverse stock split is usually never good for shareholders. So there was news on Friday. It says here, March 24th at 11:40, Bed Bath & Beyond reportedly plans to lay off 1,300 employees at 4 locations in New Jersey. It says in 2022, BBBY announced a 20% reduction in its corporate and supply chain workforce. So this is what drove the stock to go higher on Friday. On Reddit, there's 58,000 members. And if you take a look at some of these posts, 126.42% short interest. This was posted on Yahoo Finance. Let's go ahead and take a look at what people are saying. That seems like a very high percentage of floats, almost a 27% increase in 1 month. Really? They did it with narratives about dilution to make it look real. Shill's gone under rock already. Let's go here. It says, oh, wow, it didn't even match their own numbers. So basically, any catalyst and we gamma squeeze. I think you're thinking of a short squeeze, not a gamma squeeze. Gamma squeeze relates to options ramp. More fake data, yay. GameStop had a similar short interest 2 years ago. That's why I hodl here. GameStop was at 226% with a total outstanding share count of that 76 million when it popped out for the sneeze. Okay, let's go here. What I don't understand is people will just throw 1 to 2K on 0 DTE as a lotto. BBBY is the ultimate lotto, and I put that into the 0.5 January 17, 2025 for 58 to 60 cents. This has to be the cheapest and longest amount of time for a lotto. SPY can reverse and reject, and you're instantly down negative 50%. If BBBY reverses and goes down, you still have 1.5 years for something to happen, and it will happen. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next month, maybe 3 months from now. Who cares what your option is? Get for 1.5 years. It checks all boxes for a squeeze. Extremely high short interest percentage, extremely high CTB percentage. Shares keep being borrowed at prices of 0.80 to 0.90. Why not you? And those bears are slaughtered. So this person is actually very smart. When you're buying options, you want to go as far out as possible. So we can see that BBBY is the most shorted stock. And the next one we have FLC, SI, Carvana. We don't even see AMC or GameStop on here anymore. So if we take a look at these options, you can see that the implied volatility is still very high, 300%. Next week's is 393%. There must be some kind of news that's coming out the week of 6th April because that's 393%. But for next week, we can see that people are still buying short-term call options. We have 35,000 volume traded for the 1 strike. These are going for $6. But if the stock doesn't move, you're just going to lose the money. So like what that person was saying, you want to go as far out as possible. Or the 0.5 in the money call option, it's going for $97. And that gives you 1.5 years for the stock to actually move in your favor, which is a pretty decent price versus if you were to get it for $1 for May, it's $25. What if it never hits? So if you're planning to buy options, just go far out as possible. Best thing that you can possibly do is just hold on to common shares. At least that way they never expire. And all I can say right now is be as patient as possible. We want retail investors to save BBBY like they did with AMC and GameStop. And hopefully we get a squeeze all the way to $30. That's the goal. Let me know in the comments if you're buying more BBBY or if you're planning to buy BBBY. And thanks for watching.